Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create 3D AI social media images using AI. This is a trending and easiest way. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop I just open Chrome browser and I just go to bing.com. So once I click a bing.com, so bing.com search engine will be open here as you see here. So this is a bing.com, so Microsoft bing.com. So you can log in with your Gmail account or any types of account you can log in. So just click here to sign in with your Gmail account. Yes, here there will be a chat and images will be there. Just hit the button images. Once you click the images option, there will be plenty of option will be available in the images. Just go to create. Once you click a create option, there will be a AI, so artificial intelligence create option will be open here. So image creator will be there. So want to see how the image create works, surprise and give. So you can surprise me or you can create a new things. So I just want to type a comment called a boy with a handsome look with the wearing suit or any types of things will be added over here. So handsome boy sitting on a logo chair on social media logo like Instagram or YouTube or anything you can give here, and wearing suit, the background mockup of YouTube profile. So because of my channel YouTube profile name will be in HowXT, my YouTube channel name, with a soft light reflection I have given. So I've given the description link. Just click the link and copy the text and paste it over here. Change this your name and your logo name will change, and just click an option called create. Once you click a create option, automatically the create option will be open here. Like a tip will be open here. Try adding a style such as a digital art. For example, a robot made a analog stereo equipments digital art, like that. You can give whatever you want. Yes, now my output has come well. So with that, my name, it's a YouTube, the handsome boy is sitting. So whatever option is better for AI, you can choose and add. For example, I just want to choose this image so I can able to see my YouTube logo as well as handsome boy sitting over there. So what I have to do here, so just click here to download this one. So I have downloaded the images over here. So this is my images, so whatever I have, so I have downloaded the images. I just want to change this face. What I have to do here, so another AI tip will be given here, so that is called for remaker.ai. So just go to this website. Automatically you can change your face into different faces. What you have to do here, so here there will be a face swap will be there. Just hit the button face swap. So once you click a remaker.ai, there will be a face swap will be there. Upload image, upload swap image will be there. Just click upload image. Whatever I downloaded from the AI creativity will be added over here. So I want to change the face. For example, the Superman to this man we can add like that. Upload swap pages. So just click a image and give my images over here. So from this to this I want to change, and just click a swap option. Automatically swap face with a one click. Upload realistic font face images will improve. So if you want to see, yes, as you see here, my image will be added here. So before and after, so I can click and see my images is differently added with different font and different style. So this is a simple and easiest trick. Using this you can give a whatever AI option generations, you can generate the image and you can swap this your face. So simple and easiest trick. Use this trick and create your own image using 3D, using AI from your website, and you can make a social media trending ones. If you like these tips, do share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.